In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp, project and task management with ClickUp. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp, then select the official ClickUp website. This gets you to the platform quickly and helps ensure you're in the right place to follow along. Once you're in, it helps to think about ClickUp's simple hierarchy. Your workspace is the overarching home for everything you do. Inside it, create spaces to represent big categories, like operations, marketing, or school projects. Within each space, use folders to group related initiatives so things don't get scattered. Lists live inside folders. This is where your tasks sit and where you'll spend most of your day-to-day time. Tasks and subtasks are the actual pieces of work to complete, and breaking tasks into subtasks can make complex work feel manageable. With the structure in place, create and manage tasks. For each task, set a due date so everyone knows the schedule. Pick realistic deadlines and keep your time zone in mind to avoid confusion. Assign the task to the right person so ownership is clear. If you're collaborating, you can invite teammates via email so they can be assigned and stay notified as work moves forward. Next, set a priority. Choose from urgent, high, normal, or low. Defining what each level means for your team helps everyone understand what needs attention first and reduces last-minute fire drills. Use task statuses to show progress at a glance. Common stages include to do, in progress, for review, and completed. Customize these to match your workflow and keep them consistent so reports and views stay meaningful. Clear statuses make workload visible and create accountability without constant check-ins. Choose the right view for the job. List View gives you a straightforward, spreadsheet-like list of tasks, great for bulk edits and quick scanning. Board View presents a Kanban-style workflow, perfect for dragging tasks across columns as they progress. Calendar View lets you schedule and visualize work by date, which is ideal for planning capacity and deadlines. Timeline View offers a high-level plan that's helpful for seeing overlaps and dependencies across weeks or months. You can switch between these views instantly without duplicating data, so pick the perspective that helps you make decisions fastest. To wrap up, ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity platform for managing projects, tasks, timelines, documents, and team collaboration in one place. With a clear structure, thoughtful task details, meaningful priorities and statuses, and the right view, you'll keep work organized and moving.